into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. Why?
Hi Sekinistas, hi fashionistas, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sekina Abbas, but I prefer you call me Miss Sekis. I'm a creative fashion designer, a professional makeup artist, and someone who is trying to rebuild her life from scratch. Okay, so this is my channel and this is what I do. I share my lifestyle, some lessons, some tips and tricks. I also have another channel where I share tutorials on sewing, fashion and makeup, and it's called Miseki, so you can check that one for tutorials as well. This week I feel like I don't have something new to show, so my vlogging is all about me cooking, and I've not been cooking, or I don't cook every day, so this week's vlog is about me cooking, so please enjoy for me. Remember to support your girl, remember to leave a comment, remember to like, and please don't forget to be part of the team and be a Sekinista. I love you big as always, so please enjoy the rest of the video and make sure you watch to the end. Thank you so much, and I don't take this for granted. So today I'm cooking banku. So banku is made from, this is cassava dough, fermented cassava dough, and I have fermented corn dough here. So I'm going to join this together. I don't know if you can see me, I'm going to mix everything together and add water. I'm now going to put it on fire, stir to avoid lumps and also make it into a dough kind of form, right? And that will be termed banku in Ghana. That's what we call banku in Ghana here. So I'm going to do that with this fish. I don't really know the name of this fish, but I feel like it looks like catfish in a way somehow, but I don't know the name. This is tilapia, half tilapia, and I've seasoned it already. I didn't add pepper because I'm just going to fry this in deep oil and pair it with grinded fresh tomatoes with grinded pepper. Okay, so that's the menu for today. So stay with me and let's do this together. Thank you. Hi guys, so I'm on my way to a fan fair. I'm going to eat ice cream. I'm going to support my lady.